Hoping we can keep some breaks in the clouds tonight to catch the Perseid Meteor Shower between midnight and dawn. As we go through the overnight, it's going to be warm, lows in the low to mid 70s for us, but I think we're dry. A dry start to your Friday. Once again, some afternoon thunderstorms going to be very hit and miss, a high around 90. Perhaps our best chance of rain holding off until Friday night as a weather system swings through. That sets us up for a soggy weekend and some locations picking up over 3 inches of rain.